Hey crypto enthusiasts! Ever wondered why new money seems to make the rich even richer? Today I'm diving into the Cantillon Effect and how it applies to both traditional and digital currencies like crypto. The Cantillon Effect, named after economist Richard Cantillon, explains that when new money enters an economy, it doesn't benefit everyone equally. Those closest to the source of new money, like banks, financial institutions, and the wealthy, get first dibs. They can buy goods and assets before prices go up. Now, as this new money trickles down through the economy, prices start to rise. But here's the kicker: wage earners and savers who are further away from the money source see their purchasing power decrease. In essence, the Cantillon Effect shows how inflation can benefit the wealthy while hurting those on lower incomes, creating a wider economic gap. But wait, does this apply to cryptocurrencies too? Yes, absolutely. Just like in fiat systems, the Cantillon Effect can occur in crypto based on how new coins are issued and distributed. Let's break it down. First, pre-mined coins. Some cryptocurrencies allocate a large portion of their supply to founders, developers, or early investors before the coins are widely available. If the currency's value rises, these early holders gain disproportionately. Next, staking and mining rewards. In proof-of-stake or proof-of-work systems, those with more resources, like more coins staked or more mining power, get more rewards. This tends to favor the early adopters and those with significant capital, reinforcing wealth concentration. And finally, influence in decentralized governance. In some DeFi systems, decision-making power is tied to how much cryptocurrency you own. Those with more holdings can shape policies to their advantage. So, is there a way to change this? Yes, but it's challenging. Different projects are trying to make distribution fairer. Here are some approaches. 1. Fair launch models. Projects like Bitcoin and Sinem Network had no pre-mining and everyone could start mining at the same time. Some also use airdrops to distribute tokens widely. 2. Proof of participation mechanisms. Lower staking minimums in proof-of-stake systems make it easier for more users to participate. Proof of humanity platforms distribute tokens based on unique human participation. 3. Democratic governance models. Quadratic voting gives more influence to smaller token holders. Delegated voting allows users to give their votes to others who share their interests. 4. Progressive inflation models. Some projects introduce decay mechanisms where large holdings lose value if not used. Universal basic income models distribute regular payments to everyone. 5. Community-driven tokenomics. Tokens can be distributed for valuable actions, not just staking or mining. Caps on liquidity mining rewards can also prevent a few participants from capturing most rewards. While these strategies don't eliminate the Cantillon Effect entirely, they aim to reduce its impact. As the crypto space continues to evolve, more equitable models of distribution may emerge. Thanks for watching. If you found this insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the crypto world. Catch you in the next video.